Good afternoon, friends. This is Kiran Sir's voice, and we are discussing about the interesting lesson extreme weather. In last period, we discussed about the icy deserts. Now, today we're going to this period deal about the driest and wettest. In last period, we discussed about these paragraphs. Now we are going to deal the second paragraph of left side, page number 56. Okay, ready? Deserts are renowned for their dry status. Renewed, famous. Everyone have the idea regarding the deserts because deserts are the famous for the dry status. Status means no rain on that area. One might imagine scratches of sand or dusty earth and rock baking in the heat. But there are different types of deserts. There are so many types of desert. There are some sandy deserts, dusty deserts. There are some deserts having rocks more in that area. So according to that, they divided the types of the deserts. Okay. One third of land on earth is parts of the desert by me. One third of the land of earth is a parts of the desert Bohemi. Bohemi means this is the see the meaning. Bohemi means a large distinct essential regions, similar climate, similar soil, organism regarding of its global location. We can say that this is the common characteristics and these are the area common characteristics wale deserted, we can say that like that. Okay, see again. One third of land on earth is part of the desert Bohemi and it's so dry that only Pacific plants and animals especially adapted to the environment can live there. And we are discussing about the deserts. In that deserts areas there are having the Bohemi commonly characteristics areas, but apart from that specially adapted to the environment, जहाँ पर एनवायरमेंट एडाप्टेड होता है, एनिमल्स और प्लांट एडॉप्ट कर कर जीते हैं, ऐसे एरियाज भी वहाँ पर है. कैन लिव देयर, ऐसे एनिमल्स और प्लांट्स वहाँ पर जिंदा रहते हैं, रह सकते हैं. अ डेजर्ट इज डिफाइंड एज एन एरिया दैट रिसीव लेस दैन 25 सेंटीमीटर ऑफ प्रेसिपिटेशन अ ईयर. प्रेसिपिटेशन बारिश, साल में सिर्फ 25 सेंटीमीटर्स बारिश होती है, ऐसे भी डेजर्टेड एरिया वहाँ पर है. डेजर्ट्स आर फॉर्म बाय एंड यूजुअली रिसीव लिटिल रेनफॉल ड्यू टू ग्लोबल विंड पैटर्न्स. ग्लोबल विंड पैटर्न्स. So there are some deserts, and why they becoming a deserts? Behind that having some reasons, and there is a one reason, global wind patterns. So this is the one reason of them. The wind direction across the earth means that clouds are pushed over tropical forest and mountains range, both of which draw out all the moisture, so that by the time the winds reach the deserts region they are dry. What is the meaning of this line? See in the pictures also, this is the mountain and this is the direction of the winds. If there is a in front of the wind having mountain, सो विंड्स यहाँ पर रुक जाते हैं और बारिश देते हैं. एंड इफ देयर इज अ माउंटेन, अगर सीधा है और विंड्स भी यहाँ से बहते हैं तो विंड्स वहाँ पर बिना रुके आगे चले जाते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज द शैडो एरिया, रेन शैडो एरिया. वी कैन से दैट दिस इज द रेन शैडो एरिया. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? This is the mountain and wind areas. If the same direction there is a no wind, If there is a cross direction mountain and winds, there is a chances to dropping the rains. This is the rain shadow area, we can say that. Okay, do you understand? So this is the meaning of that. Chile in South America has a high plateau in the north of the country called the Atacama deserts. Underline. Where is the Atacama desert situated? In Chile, in South America. Okay, this is the, if there is a map of the South America, sir can explain about that, but when you discussing about the, this is the South America, Chile situated in a nearby. Okay, Chile and Peru, this is the desert area. Chile in South America has a high plateau in the north of the country called the Atacama deserts. Rainfall on the mountains to the east of the Atacama deserts creates a rain shadow on the desert so that no rain falls on the desert plateau. So actually, what is the meaning of that line? Sir, give the information regarding the mountain and winds. This is the same idea belonging to the Chile and Peru areas. So that's why there is a no rain, because of the same direction of the mountain and wind. A rain shadow is a dry area. Rain shadow, see, rain shadow, same direction. यहाँ पर अगर माउंटेन्स है, विंड्स अगर सेम यहाँ से इधर आते हैं और यहाँ पर रुककर बारिश नहीं देते हैं, तो दिस इज द एरिया बिकम अ रेन शैडो, जहाँ पर बारिश नहीं होती है. ओके, अ रेन शैडो इज अ ड्राई एरिया ऑन द लीवर्ड साइड ऑफ द माउंटेनियस एरिया. The mountains block the passage of rain, producing weather system and cast a shadow of dryness behind them. So actually in this paragraph we are discussing about the why there is not rain, and actually sir giving the one but good example for that. What is the reason not dropping the rain there? If you understand this diagram with the explanation with sir, you can understand those दोनों पैराग्राफ आप समझ सकते हो. ओके, नाउ सी, the Atacama Desert is commonly known as the driest non-polar region in the world and maybe the oldest desert on earth. अटाकामा डेजर्ट सबसे पुराना डेजर्ट्स है एंड कॉमनली नोन एज द ड्राइस्ट नॉन पोलर रीजन. अंडरलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, ड्राइस्ट नॉन पोलर रीजन, इस एरिया को अटाकामा डेजर्ट्स को भी कहते हैं. ओके, द एवरेज रेनफॉल इज अबाउट 15 मिलीमीटर पर ईयर. दिस इज द वेरी लो रेन. When we are discussing about the Indian year, rain throughout the year, we can say that there is a in east areas 1000 above the 1000, 1000 के भी ऊपर मिलीमीटर रहता है. and see here the average rainfall is about 15 मिलीमीटर पर ईयर. साल में 15 मिलीमीटर्स रेन होता है. व्हेन वी कंपैरिजन अबाउट द 1000 and 15, दैट्स व्हाई यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द रेन कंडीशन ऑफ दैट एरिया. ओके, ऑल्दो सम लोकेशन रिसीव 1 to 3 mm इन अ ईयर. ऐसा होने के बावजूद भी कुछ एरियाज ऐसे हैं जहाँ पर 1 to 3 mm साल भर में बारिश होती है. सम वेदर स्टेशन इन द एटाकामा हैव नेवर रिसीव रेन. वेदर स्टेशंस भी है वहाँ पर जो कभी कभी एटाकामा में, जहाँ पर कभी साल भर में एक भी बार बारिश की बूंद तक नहीं गिरती वहाँ पर. सो थिंक अबाउट स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज द रेन कंडीशन ऑफ द डेजर्टेड एरिया. However, despite the Atacama's reputation of aridity means nirasta, unfertile, no crops, However, despite the Atacoma's reputation for aridity, it is not the driest place on earth. It is not the driest place on the earth. द दुनिया धरती पर दुनिया पर ये जो एटाकामा प्लेस है वो एटाकामा प्लेस वो दुनिया का सबसे ज़्यादा ड्राइस्ट प्लेस नहीं है। ऐसे प्लेस इससे भी ज़्यादा भयानक प्लेसेस अपने धरती पर है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड टिल द वीडियो, ओके, एंड गो थ्रू द lesson again, read out till here, understand properly. If you have any problem, please ask me regarding the lesson, okay. Thank you, have a nice day.